beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, bro.
It's a good friend of ours.
Yes. What's up, guys? Thanks for clicking Forward Outdoor Adventures. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you very much for clicking on the video, and I hope you consider subscribing. Today's video is going to cover washing my 2012 Yamaha Super Tenere, also known as Tatanka. It is very, very dirty. I don't think I've cleaned it in about 3 months at least. So it has a bunch of off-road dirt and mud and dust, everything, bugs. And I want to share with you the products that I use to clean it, and hopefully we could get this this bike back to showroom condition. So stick around and let's go ahead and wash the bike. We have the Yamaha, the dirty, very dirty Yamaha Super Tenere, and the somewhat clean / dirty Africa Twin. Yeah, obviously Diego takes care of his bikes, but you can see mine here is pretty bad. Alright, here are the tools for the job. We're going to use Star Brite Solutions. It's a company that I'm sure you already heard about. They sell this everywhere, every auto part, a bunch of, almost any store you could find this, so I really don't need to tell you too much about it. They sell a lot of gas treatments, and that's, so we're going to use 2 buckets, a clean bucket and a dirty bucket. So we'll rinse the bikes off first, we'll put some degreaser cleaner, and then wash it up with the soap, and we're going to use a pressure cleaner at the lowest setting so you don't damage anything. So let's see if we could get this dirty bike into a 2018 model.
Honda, baby.
Alright, now you spray it with some Extreme Clean All Surface Cleaner degreaser, and you just let it sit for about a minute, 30 seconds, a minute. This works best in the little nooks and crannies where the bolts in the engine and the shock and those areas that you can't really reach. You just hit it real good with this, and then you just rinse it right off. Yeah, all this area here, it's really hard to get to with a brush. Yeah. Now we wait, Diego.
That's it.
Too bad 30 seconds to a minute is not enough for a beer.
Yeah.
It's almost enough, but
Maybe
it's...
after we wash it.
Yeah, let's have a beer after we wash it. Only one. Look at the dirt's already coming off without scrubbing or anything. The dirt's already coming. This floor is perfectly clean, sort of. But you can tell right there the dirt is just dripping right off. And the grime, the stubborn stuff.
Clean, huh?
It looks pretty good, man. All the bugs are gone. The bugs on the forks are gone. Let's see the drive shaft. Obviously you gotta wait for it to dry off, but I think it did a great job. Just give it a little touch over with the sponge, the mitt, and the soap. You rinse in the clean one. Oh, you like this, right, baby? You like this. I know you do, I know.
That would be another choice, right? you can use
Yeah.
extreme clean only, and you're gonna be fine.
Yeah. If you want to do just a fast cleaning, just hit it with the extreme clean. And you don't have to have a pressure cleaner, but that helps. And this mitt, it doesn't have to be Star Brite, but this mitt helps so much. It's so easy just to go over everything really fast. But to be honest with you, a lot of my friends don't agree with me, but I think these adventure bikes look so much better when they're dirty. And yeah, since this is not a Starbucks vehicle, it's okay for it to be dirty. But you know, sometimes you want to go to a fancy restaurant like Wendy's or something, and you want to go nice and clean and impress your wife or your girlfriend. All right, Diego, I think we're done. Let's just rinse her off and let's do the Africa Twin.
Already here.
Yeah.
The pavement was clean. Look at this.
Yeah, it's already dripping.
That's dripping all
the grime and the dirt.
Yeah.
Okay, here you see it drying off. We didn't wipe it with anything. Drying off real nice. Let's take a 5-minute break, okay? 5-minute break, bro.
5-minute break with Stella.
Okay, fine.
My friend Stella.
Let's do it. All right, here's the final product. We did not wipe it. I promise you, I did not wipe it. There's almost no spots. It was very dirty. These are just scratches, but it has a few spots here on the plastic, but the paint looks great. This is the secret weapon right here, the extreme clean. This is what takes off all the stuck on grime. Great stuff. It's beautiful.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful, bro.
It's a good friend of ours.
Yes. It's what makes everything possible.
Cheers, man.
Thank you.
Cheers,
buddy. Diego, I think it's a job well done. I hope you guys liked the video. Please subscribe, like if you like the video, and definitely check out Star Brite. They have great stuff, Star Brite or Startron. It's available anywhere, but it really truly does a great job on the bike, and you see it in the video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Until the next time.